don't know about the squishies that I told you I opened, but because I was trying to see if this was ultimate squishy. And it is squishy. It is bouncy. I'm making a video. And look, you can like see things upside down, like it's like Alice through the looking glass, so sticky. So let's set it on the bag and see if it dissolves like it said it will. And here we have a Num Nums. And we have this big walkie-talkie set I got from Walmart, so we're gonna open that. And I got my little cookie doll, this. It's like a white thing. It's for My Life doll, and that's what I have, and My Life doll. And this is a perfect fit for her. So let's set her back over here, and let's set her clothing off to the side with the rest. And I got this 2-pack from Walmart. Now they glued them together and made them called a 2-pack. And I have these surprise toys. I have this Wonder Ball. It's a chocolate surprise egg with a dinosaur inside. And I got the Peppa the Pig chocolate surprise. And from McDonald's, I got this toy. I got 2 of them, and I got these shoes for my little cookie doll. They're My Life. So let's put them over here. Let's scoot everything over a little because it needs space. So now let's open this big giant thing, but not those. Let's open this walkie-talkie set on the side. Wow, so me and my little cookie doll can talk a walk. Wow, the walkies may fall out. Wow, so this set comes with a long walkie. So let's set the box off to the side. And we have the instructions. It takes batteries. Every single thing takes batteries. So let's take this thing apart. So I need my scissors. I can't find them. Oh, here they are. They're red rose color. So let's cut.
Guess how much these cost? $1.90.
Wow, so this is that's hard. So let's open this other wooden piece. Wow. So we can't open it because it's some on these sides. They actually double pack it when they say they double pack it. Because it said on the instructions, double pack. Okay, we got the cardboard off. Finally, let's set that to the side. Now here's our brain. The brain is the person that is the first person. So that's the person that talks to everybody. That's the brain of the one. And it has a little stick. So there's the first piece of our walkie, and you can turn it up. Like twist it, that's it. And you can take your walkie and you can like slide it on the side and keep it right there. And then you can like press the button to talk and stuff. And here's these little walkies. They're so cool. And they have an on and off button. You click this to hear what the other person said. Click this to talk. Hello, hello. But they need batteries. So since we have everything out, that's cool. So we have this little thing and the walkie-talkies. So this is the brain of the person, and here's the 2 walkies. So these are the other people around here. So everybody can play this game. It's fun. So since we opened it, let's put it off to the side over here. Now, ooh, there's a button on the box and a twisty. Now we're gonna like open. Still haven't moved. Let's open our chocolate surprise eggs. Wow, this egg is hard to open. So we have our chocolate egg, and we have our Pepper the Pig. Box over there. These are a lot of things that I bought. Oh, who do we have here? We have Candy Cat. That is so cool. Because it'll say the name on the little script. And I got Candy Cat. So let's put her together.
You know,
Wow, she looks
Juan's mama told
actually
me
candy.
that he got sick from playing with slime. I don't believe that. I think she might have got the slime from somebody and they just sick who he got it from. She said,
So let's take our flyer and set it to the side with the instructions. Our bottle will go with the instructions also. And be careful, because this is a chocolate egg, remember? So let's set it right here. Let's open our dinosaur egg. It says wonderful ball, so I don't know what that means. And here's some flavors. I don't know what the flavors are for. So let's open. Wow. Wow, so this is just like a Kinder egg. There's a toy inside the chocolate. So this is just like a Kinder egg. Let's open up our wonderful dinosaur Kinder egg. I'm gonna totally get a bunch of these. Ooh, we have little fruit candies. Mmm. So these are little sweet candies.
And then on the way to the
No toy.
on the way to
I feel bad for getting that.
I seen that thing that showed
But here is our Num Nums.
I tried to go slow and look at it real good, and I said, that look like a shell. And so I turned around and went and got it because I knew somebody else was going to pick it up. So I turned around and went and got it. And,
This Num Nums is pretty hard.
KFC,
Mm.
she has 2 happy meals. And I told her to save one for tomorrow. She going to say, oh, I'm going to eat it all today. Well, you ain't going to eat no 2 happy meals today.
Wow, this is pretty hard. There we go. Our Num Nums blind bag. Dun dun dun. What's in the blind bag? Our blind bag, Num Nums. Let's get a flyer out. We need that. And we open it up. Who did we get? We got a plain Num Nums, whatever it is. And here she is. Oh, we have the next Num Nums. I know it's a lip balm. It's some kind of lip balm. I'm not gonna bother.
The only thing she don't got is dress shoes, but she got boots.
I won't even bother trying. So we don't even have to know which Num Num.
Yeah, I'm going to church though.
Let's just put it twist. So let's open our Despicable Me 3 toy. You're in the video, you know that, right? Shh. Come on, get it. Oh, here's our toy. So all she does is describe pretty much all at our flyer. Oh, that's what you do. It's not working, so waste of time. Let's play with the rest of the toys. Now let's open our My Little Pony bonus 2-pack. Wow, so this thing is fragile. Fragile. Oh, they put some on the back. I didn't see that there. It's like melty. What they put on the back. So let's open. I'm kind of rough on this. Oh, and I forgot. I went to the machine and got this. And I bought this. Also, a Monster High toy. And the ring to the machine. School supplies. So let's open our Halloween. So our Halloween My Little Pony. Who did we get? Holly Dash. If you know her, please send a link down below. And we can't find her on the flyer because we already know who she is, so we shouldn't find her on the checklist. So here she is. Ooh, she's so jelly, and she has a little strawberry cutie mark. But she does not smell good. She smells just like wax. I thought she'll smell like it. But no, she doesn't. So let's cut this one open. This My Little Pony blind bag is plain. Friendship is magic. So we're gonna like pop it open. Okay, here we go. First we're gonna look at this. Who did we get? We got Twinkle Lamoon. We got Twinkle Lamoon. They have the right characters that we all know. They have Rainbow Dash, Rarity. They have those, but it's just too hard to get. So here is our pony. She doesn't look that good, but there she is. She smells exactly like nothing. She smells like nothing. Our walkie smell. Sorry. So here we go. Let's put our trash over here. Let's open our Monster High blind bag toy. People know that's hard, so that's why they put a little latch. So it'd be easier, but it's kind of harder to open it. Okay, let's open it. Ooh, this is a school locker. So this is so cool. It comes with its own little bean locker, so we can like put her in her locker. And like stick her in there. Ooh, she feels so jelly. I am so happy. And we're almost to the end of everything. Well, we're all to the end of everything, but we still have to get my American Doll clothing. Put the trash over here. And we have this little girl. She's a little girl. I don't know her name. Here's our flyer. Or checklist or something. And her name... Well, we can't actually see her name, but we can actually see her. I can't find her. And she's all the color. Yeah, there she is. She's a little cute purple. She's that purple one. That's cute. So let's put the checklists up. This is cute, so we can like put her in her locker. She looks like she's a scared kid. You can see her peeking through her locker. That's so cool. That is so cool, guys. Let's open up the shoes. These shoes look brand new for my cookie doll. Wow! So we have her some of these Kid Galore high heels. And they're the best. They look so good.
I need you to stop and wash your hands.
Now let's open her shirt.